Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily get the Stripe account in India. So in order to begin, what I'll do is go into the App Store and install the Stripe application. So if you type in Stripe and search, you can see the application Stripe dashboard. You have to click on it and install. And once the installation is done, you can see it says open. So I'm going to click on open. And now it gives you two options, sign in and create an account. So I don't have an account, so what I'll do is click on create an account. So what this does is it will show this page. What you'll have to do is click on this country and go hover over and to India. So if you click on the request and invite option, it will head over to another page where you can put your request. So once that's approved, you can use the Stripe application on India. So that's how we can easily install and use the Stripe application in India. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.